Luxury brands sell identity, not fabric. If I show you 5 psychology tricks that make customer happily pay you premium, will you implement them this week? In next 120 seconds, I'll give you one visual hack and one packaging trick. Don't skip. I'm Shakti Singh. I make fashion brand look expensive so they can sell expensive. I've shoot campaign from 999 tees to 30,000 rupees jackets. Quick question: would you pay extra for A, better fabric, B, exclusive drop, C, premium unboxing? Comment A, B or C and I'll explain you why your answer matters. Today, people don't buy the product, they buy the story, who they are and when they wear it. And that's how luxury pricing works. Most brands sell their products, but luxury brands sell a lifestyle. Let me explain. When someone buying luxury product, they are not buying stitches, logo and fabric. They are buying the identity of the brand. They are saying, this is who I am, and this is the culture where I belongs to. So how do you apply identity psychology? Number 1, shoot your products in aspirational environments. Airport lounge, premium cafe, gym lobby, clean street corner and luxury interiors. This environment gives status to the product. Number 2, focus on silhouette. Luxury buyer value shape, fit and structure more than fabric GSM. Number 3, use minimal and bold typography. Luxury is equal to space, clarity plus clean visuals. No cluttered poster, not cheap fonts. Listen, here is a quick test you can try this week. Shoot the same t-shirt inside a messy room. Then shoot it in a premium location with clean lighting. The premium visual will automatically feel 2-3x higher in the price perception. And this is why I always say, it's not a streetwear, it's a confidence uniform. Luxury buyer don't want what everyone can have, because luxury is equal to exclusivity. So how do you create that? Limited drops, not 200 pieces, just 50 pieces. First come, first serve. Number system. Write on the tag 02 by 50. This gives emotional value. Wait list. Don't sell to anyone. Let's people earn access, and that's psychological prestige. You can literally write in your caption, if you own this, you are one of the few who do. That one line change the perceived value instantly. Ever seen Apple unboxing video? Luxury feels premium before product touches your hand. Luxury isn't about the product, it's about the ritual. And here is what to do. Add a handwritten note. Add a mild scent when the box opens. Wrap it in a satin instead of plastic. Use matte black clean packaging. And why does this work? Because ritual create emotional ownership. When people emotionally buy something, they justify the price automatically. And here is a micro hack. Put a care card inside the box. People keep the product longer and they respect it more, and they will buy from you again. Story sells more than stitching. Don't say we use 240 GSM. Always say this collection is inspired from the people who stand out from the crowd. This is story. Themes that work brilliantly for the luxury. Craftsmanship, minimalism, subculture identity, purpose-driven fashion, sustainability ethics. When people buy your product, your story becomes their story. And that's the foundation of belonging psychology. Luxury is not built in the factory, it's built in the visuals. If your visual look rupees 500, then people will assume your product will be rupees 500. If visuals look 5,000 rupees, then people automatically justifies this, even if you don't change anything in the garment, because you are not selling cotton, you are selling perception. And that's the truth nobody tells you. Don't try to implement everything. Just do 2 things from this video. 1. Launch limited drop, remove unlimited stock. 2. Shoot premium hero visuals, clean background plus aspirational environment. If you do only these 2 steps, your sale will shift. You'll feel the difference and your buyer respect your pricing. You don't need better fabric. You need better presentation, perception and positioning. If you want your brand good to premium, without even increasing production costs. I'll help D2C brand do this every day. Book a 15-minute call. I'll audit your visuals and give you 2 action steps you can apply from tomorrow. Link in the description. Before you go, tell me this. Which hack will you apply first? Identity, scarcity, ritual, story or visuals? Comment below and I'll reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. I'm Shakti Singh, helping brand look expensive so they can sell expensive. See you in the next video.